Today is Wednesday, December the 5th, 2018, and tonight I'm going to give you some help on order of operations on page 20, and we're going to go straight to question number 8. Now, I have introduced a method for solving these types of problems. First of all, anytime you have an equation that has more than one operation in it, then you have to follow the order of operations. So some of the parents may remember being taught PEMDAS. This is very, very similar to PEMDAS. So if you have that background knowledge, then that will help you. Okay, we're going to get started. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to write your equation up here where it says equation expression. So I have 4 times 9 divided by 3 plus 8 minus 6. Okay, what I'm going to do from that point is I am going to go through and circle every symbol or operation that I have. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Since I have 4 circles, then I'm going to have 4 steps. So I'm going to number my plan 1 through 4. Okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through using this order of operation table. I'm going to go through and figure out which operation is going to be which step. Okay, so first of all, the P and B stand for parentheses or brackets, and we don't have any of those, so we're going to mark that one out. Next, the E stands for exponents. There were no exponents, so we mark that out. Now, next you have division and multiplication. So, do we see any division or multiplication up here? Yes, we see both of them. Now, here's the tricky part. How do you know which one comes first? Okay, division and multiplication, they're interchangeable. So, whichever one, starting at the beginning of the problem, whichever one you see first is what you're going to do first. So, I see multiplication first. So, that's going to be my first step. And then I see division. So, division will come second. Okay, so that's how you decide if you're going to multiply or divide first, whichever one comes first when you're reading it from left to right. Then you have subtraction and addition. So do I have subtraction? Yes. Do I have addition? Yes. Now I've got to figure out which one comes first. Well, starting from the left, as I move over, I see that addition comes first and then subtraction. So these are going to be my 4 steps. So I'm going to rewrite this problem, and I'm going to write 4 times 9 divided by 3 plus 8 minus 6. Okay, so step 1 tells me to multiply. So I'm going to find the multiplication problem and underline it. And then I'm going to draw a little arrow to solve it. And 4 times 9 is 36. So I write 36 underneath it. Now you've got to mark this out, because if you don't, you're going to end up trying to use those numbers again. So I have multiplied, and I'm going to check that off. Next, bring everything down. And if you have to draw an arrow to remind yourself to bring each thing down, you can. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to divide. So let's find the division problem, and it's right here. 36 divided by 3. Now, if you don't know what 36 divided by 3 is, you can always work it out. 3 goes into 3 one time. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Bring down the 6, and it is 12. Hopefully you knew that fact anyways, but 3 goes into 36 12 times. So I'm going to write 12 right here, mark it out because I'm finished with it, and check it off my list. Bring everything back down. And step 3 says to add. So I find my addition problem, which is 12 plus 8, and that answer is 20. Mark that out. check it off and bring down the rest of your problem. And 20 minus 6 is 14. Check that off. We finished that. And if you look at your answer choices, you will find that your answer is 14. Hope that helps with your homework. If you have any questions, you can go check out Homework Help. Other than that, I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day.